From the C panel, you simply go into calculations. So once you are in your tab, zip track, for an example, you go inside the zip track, and this is that product. You go into that fields. So this is all the tabs fields which is configured. So how you would move that across is you just move your cursor to a blank space and hold it, drag and drop it into any position. And if you want to remove a field, you just simply delete that.
That's easy.
If you need a field in the code, but you don't want that to be shown on any prints, just simply untick those. Example, you will have, let's say you don't want this particular field to be printed in any of the documents. If you untick it, it will not print. It will only capture the data. If you want this to be a text field or a drop-down menu, you have that option to change as well. So example, you can see this is a text field. You can type anything you want. Whereas these all are drop-downs. And then these are like when you transfer the data to your accounting platforms from Xero or MYOB, you want that data. If you want it, if you enable it, that will transfer that across too. Okay, one is your office copy, other one is the customer copy, and the other one is the order sheet. So example, I'll create one in this thing. It's way too long, the fields are. So example, over here, you have order sheet. So if you click on that, this is that order sheet print. The code sheet is here. When you click on print, the office copy and the customer copy. These all are, you have 4 different templates. And then you have some other printouts as well. So example, if you print your office copy, this is how the office copy looks like. This is your customer copy.